Hello, and welcome back everyone to Devlog number 3 of Blockopolis. Blockopolis is a Tetras-inspired resource management city builder game, and where you will be placing tetros or bricks into buildings, and you will be rewarded with goals and the population. And we also have a roguelike mechanism where you will be given options to select what kind of gameplay you want to play with. So you can go with a more aggressive gameplay with certain types of special buildings, and or else you can go with more passive gameplay with different style of buildings that we have. So in the last two devlogs we made the entire city layout. We went through the city layout, we constructed a city layout, we placed buildings, and we will now continue to do so. As you can already see, there have been certain changes to the game behind the scenes. So you can see the new UI, blueprints as the next brick, and then you have slight changes to the color palette of the level. And right now it's very contrast, I would say. It's not uh, good, and we need to work on the color palette. There have been slight modifications to how the game works. So now if there is any props in front of the buildings, they will hide, and giving you a clear view of the building. And you can also see new UI in the building goals. So this is still work in progress, and this is more cleaner than the previous one that we had. We are still in the prototype stage. We are currently in 3.5 version, and we are planning to you know release this particular version this week itself. So you guys would be able to play test it and let us know your feedback. Once the build is out, we would be get collecting feedbacks, and if the feedback is positive, we would continue and take this game into production with this particular style of gameplay. If not, then we have another prototype that we are trying to do. That's prototype 4, version 4. That is what we are calling. And in that, the gameplay is slightly different. Like the core gameplay still remains the same, that you have to place tetros and complete goals, and get rewards and stuff. But the side gameplay, the replayability, which I think is the current question amongst ourselves, like amongst me and my friend, is replayability. And if version 4 works out, then we will go into full production. The game is planned to release by early next year, first quarter of next year. So that's the plan, and we hope to release the game soon. So now, without wasting any more precious time that we have on this particular live stream, let's just jump into the game and let's give the game one go, and then we'll start working on today's plan. All right. So uh, since this is the first building is always like a blue building, and reason behind that is so that we can familiarize players with the game. And let's just quickly complete this particular first building. Building is complete, and you can see new um, UI. And this is the upgrade cards. This is the I would say the roguelike element into the game. It's not roguelike element, but it gives the game a bit of depth. And as you progress, this is the city level. So as you progress, your population, like when you complete goals, your population increases, which rewards you into more upgrade options. So these are upgrade options. Whenever a whenever a building level is leveled up, you will also get upgrade options. So as you can see, there are bricks left. So if this bricks left goes to 0, like if you don't have any bricks, that means you are no longer uh, playing the game, as in you no longer have any control on the city layout. You cannot manage the city anymore because you don't have any bricks to place. That means you lose the game. So let's go with the construction slot and let's take the paint shop. So this is one of the special buildings. You have also keyboard shortcuts which directly takes me into the paint shop. Here I can change the color. Right now the tetro color is blue. If I want, I can put it red or any colors. So yeah, that's it. That's the gameplay. Now I'm gonna give the gameplay a quick loop, and I just noticed my Discord is off. So let me just turn it on and share the game link with my friend. Waiting for it. All right. So this is the gameplay, and let's quickly play the game once as a normal player, and then we'll work on the game. So now the goal is 60, and as you can see, the level of the building is 2. Maximum level for this building is 5. So if I reach 5, that means the building is considered to be complete, and you would get special kind of upgrade options, and you can choose what kind of upgrades you want. So we have a lot of options there as well. As you progress, as the building levels up, the goal is gonna increase for that particular building. Every building has a dominant color. So right now this building has blue as the dominant, and this one has green. That means the maximum number of goals would be for that particular color. So you have to keep that in mind and play accordingly. So there are combos. So if I place right now, there is a space for 2 here, so I'm going to place the blue tetro here, or the blue brick, and I'll get a combo of all of these. So I got a combo of 21. So you have to make sure your colors are connected as well, and that's one of the key part of the game. Now let me just color it to, it was yellow, so let me just color it to blue, and let's just put it here. It was not necessary, but I just wanted to show you guys how the game works. The next color is also blue, so I'm gonna place it here, and this way this building's goal is gonna get completed. And now the building has leveled up, so I get new upgrade options, and I'm gonna choose paint because I have paint shop. And since city also leveled up, as you can see here, I can you know, open a new special building. So I am gonna open stash building, so this way I can stash if any color, if there is any color that I don't want right now, but I can stash it anytime and use it later. Okay, so stash building is here. I can stash it and unstash it. So right now I do need blue, so I'm gonna keep blue and keep yellow aside. I can use uh, yellow here, but I just want to show you guys all the features that we have for the game. So I'm gonna put it here. This way I get a combo of 28. Now we need green, so green is here. So I'm gonna put it as a combo here, which gives me a goal completion for green, and I'm gonna put the blue here. Right now the camera is a bit wonky, I would say. Camera needs more work, and that's what I'll be working on today. I'll be working on the camera and slight modification for the city layout, because right now as you can see there are just trees lying around, and these would block because there are going to be buildings coming here. So I need to modify it, and it does not look good right now. So that's what the plan is for today. Now we do need yellow and we don't need blue, so I'm going to stash blue, take yellow out, and place yellow here. So that would give me a combo as well. And now we have red. Red is something that is needed for this building, so let's complete red here. We got yellow. Yellow is needed here, but the shape is not correct, so I'm gonna put yellow here, which would complete the goal of yellow there. uh, we need still green to complete that particular goal for the building. So red would go here, and then I again have red. Now I can put red and completely block this, or I can put red here, which would complete the goal for that particular building. So I again got a red. Red is okay. Now green is here, so let's just use green and get a combo of 12, which would complete this building. And we just have 11 bricks. Here I am getting one brick, one yellow color, and points multiplier. Points multiplier, you need a special building for it. So I need to complete the city level, city population goals, so that I can unlock the new special building to use this. Right now this card is not that important, but I do need more bricks. This is giving me 4 plus 4, 8 bricks. So I need 8. I'm gonna take that, and let's forward. Let's put yellow here, and I can put red here. I think the goal for this building would also be done. So I would get 200 population bonus, which takes me to 604. I still need 200 more. I would say a round number of 200. So let's focus there. Red, blue, color absorb, and color absorb and points multiplier are basically part of the same special building. I am gonna take this one. This is more beneficial. The game still requires a bit of balancing, I would say. And I and my friend are gonna do that soon. Soon. The balancing of the game would come and will come. And yeah, now yellow can actually go into that small place here and give me a bonus of 9, combo of 9. And I'm gonna let's do one thing. Let's put green here, sorry, yellow here to complete this yellow, and this way the yellow stays connected so that I can use yellow if a new goal comes. I'm gonna get a 400 bonus for this. So this is like a big goal for me, because this is difficult because you have a lot of colors but less space. So I need to make sure that blue and green are always connected, because that's what is required in this particular building. Red, I can just put it here, and I guess the goal would be done. No, it would be green can go here. This was a miscalculation because I wasted 2 space here. So I completed it, but I wasted space, and that's bad on my end. Now this building is on level 3. I completed the city goal, and now I am gonna uh so this shape is the construction shape. This means I can look into the future, what's the next tetro coming, so I can plan. Which is, I don't have a construction building. I am getting another stash building, which I don't want, but I need a combo shop building. This is the new special building, and that is what I am gonna select. So where is the combo? Yes. So this is the combo stash building. This means there is new abilities that I can use. So there is a color absorber. So I have 5 color absorber. There is a multiplier 2 and multiplier 3. I'm gonna quickly explain what is what. Color absorber actually absorbs the color. So whatever brick is nearby, whatever color is nearby, it will absorb that color and give you a combo. Multiplier 2 would give you a combo bonus of into 2 and into 3 as well. So for the into 3 part, so we have another special building. And right now to put yellow somewhere, not have yellow, we do have blue though. Blue, where do I put? Actually what I can do is I can let's use the red, because I have a lot of red here, and put it here so that the goal of this building is done, and I can go to level 4 this for this particular building. Now I got a huge bonus. Now from here, um, based on the current level the game balance, since the game is not balanced, I'm gonna go for more tetros, more bricks, and we have green can be here, and a lot of greens there. So let me show you guys picture of no, this is not the right shape, I would say. Let's just take blue out first. Let's save green shape here, and let's another blue here. Now okay, so let me demonstrate the green color. Let's use one of the combos. I'm gonna put number 3 on the keyboard, and take multiplier 2. So multiplier 2 is now added. You can see multiplier 2 is added, and what I'll do is I'll go here and place this block at the edge and see what happens. I got a double combo of 21. So 21 and 21. I got a double combo. Now my goal has reduced massively, massively. And that is what we wanted actually. So now I can do is I can stash this and take this green out, and since the shape is correct, it would perfectly fit here. And this way the goal for that building is also over. We have two buildings on level 4 now. So that's an amazing, I would say, amazing place to be in. And what I will do next, what do I do? What do I do? All right, let's go into the color building and use it as green. Come back out of it, go here and place it, because I need to complete green color. I need to complete green color, and I'll get a bonus of 400 there, which I completely missed out. 400 is what we should aim for. It's a huge number, huge number. And all right, what I'm gonna do is, since this is a straight line and straight line can like easily go here, I'm gonna go inside this. No, let's use the absorber. So let me show you what absorber do. I have 9 absorbs. That's like game needs a lot of balancing. I'm gonna put absorb, and you can see this absorb. What it will do is, since this is a red color, but when I put it in place of blue, see what happens. It had it absorbed the color of blue, and it took the color of blue, and I have an option of red on the top as well. So that's like an additional bonus. Now this is a new upgrade options that you are seeing. Since the building got leveled up, I have an option to convert the building into anything. It's an office, a residential building, or a factory building. Now everything has its own merits. So plus reward is for every goal completion. Every goal completion, I would get 20 more population. Or I can go with residential, and it would give me a direct bonus of 500. This is one time. And then you have factory, which is like once per game, and it gives you like all the colors and the special abilities. So what I'll do is I'll just go for residential right now, and this way my city goal got completed, and I got more upgrade options. Now I'm gonna go with a higher number of bricks, because now I have just 10. I need 4 more, and I'm gonna unlock the construction building, which is the 4th special building of the game. And I'm gonna show you what the construction building shows me is the future tetros, future bricks. This means that after yellow, I'm gonna get 3 consecutive greens. So this way I can plan, and I can think, okay, I'm gonna get 3 consecutive greens. So what shapes am I getting, and how do I plan out where do I put it? So I can put green here, I can put green here, and I am in a very comfortable place right now. This is a finished building. It looks very similar. We need to work on the visuals. So there are a lot of feedback that is needed into the game, and I'm gonna take this shape out because this shape fits here perfectly, and red is needed for that particular building. So that's an additional bonus. Now I need green. I need to place green. So what I'm gonna do is place here, which would complete the goal for that building. I'll get 400 bonus, and I'm gonna just go with. Now this is difficult. This is difficult because this has blocks blocking it, and I can actually put this shape here, and then I think I can put. No, let's do one thing. Let's take this one out because this is sleeping one, and I'm gonna absorb here. I should have seen if there is any new shape with this particular thing. I can now see 4 shapes. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it here exactly in this place, so that I am gonna get a bonus of both blue and green. Check this out. Woof. I got a bonus of both, which is insane and amazing at the same time. I still need 21. So, of course, what I'm going to do is, you already guessed it, absorb. Absorb it. Absorb that color. Absorb that color. Oh, damn, I should have thought about it. Now, blue is cut off. Blue is cut off. I completely miscalculated, and now blue is cut off. Damn. Or else the game would have been finished. The goal would have been finished. Blue is cut off. I got a 40 there. I need to put red here. I miscalculated and I am punished. It This is a good shape and it would fit nicely. And red here. Actually, what I'm doing is I'm playing too fast. I should take a look at the construction building once in a while so that I know every four steps. I'm getting all colors now, so I don't need to use any absorb or any color bucket. I can plan it normally and play calmly and try it out. Hello everyone, whoever is watching this. Thanks for tuning in, and you can play this game. The game link is in the description below. The build that is out is an older build, that's version 3, and what I am currently making is version 3.5. This is slightly newer build, I would say. This is still not out, so this is gonna be out probably next this week itself. That is what I and my friend are trying to do to push the game out. And with this, we have another building done. Again, I get an option to select factory, residential, or office, and now this time I'm going to select a office one. So with this, what happens is, any new goal or any goal in the buildings. So if you have noticed, three buildings which had three colors as a goal were giving a reward of 400 population, but now it's 420. So this is like a passive boost to the population, so you can plan it accordingly and play the game that way. I'm gonna use a absorb now. I need to use an absorb so that I can get a bonus of yellow as well. But okay, so this is a problem. This is like a, not a bug, but as a player I would have wanted to see. So it took green up and yellow down, but I wanted it to be the other way, so that yellow comes on top and green goes on the bottom. So this way yellow would have been connected and I would have gotten a bigger bonus, but uh, is not the case. All right. So I think you guys can already see how the game goes. As you move forward, you get more plots and more plots and more plots and more plots and more buildings and more goals. Oh damn, every building is red here. Oh yeah, because this is what I had placed in the last devlog, and this is unlocked on the same level. So this is a lot of work. So this is something that I can do it uh, after the stream, and I can change the goal. And now every building has a goal. Every building has a random goal, random numbers, random rewards, and we can have this is like a dev tool that I and my friend made. This is not going to be part of the uh, game itself, but it's good to have. So this is what the game is all about. Now I have been just talking about the game for last 30 minutes. I've been playing the game and I have not worked on anything. Not a good sign. So first things first, let's just change the color for these hills as well. Now this particular hill is of the same color, and color palette is not that great, I would say. So what I need to do, I need to find this rock just to hill, and what I need to do now is select all of them. No, I don't need this one. What I need to select all of these, yeah, these of them, and change color from this hills, okay, and let it render. Now what I'll do is I will directly play with the color settings and see how it looks. How does it look right now? It does. The thing is, I am not sure what the color palette is gonna look like. Like, I cannot have pink, of course, but I am still figuring it out. Like, we need some uh, good color palette. Like, I want the main color to be yellow, but I also want it to have greenish, light greenish bit. Like, this is like something like that. It should look a bit. Like, I need to play with a lot of settings here. This is that would change how the game looks. Thing of I am not like liking it, but it looks a bit different. It is yellow. That is alpha. I don't know why is it so green. Okay, and outline. Uh, what outline do I add here? It would just would shine. Like, I don't want this looks like it looks like patches, but patches look very weird. Like, how happening like this? Quite weird. This looks quite weird. I don't have this picture. Um, I it's why is it shining this much? What? This is shining. Ambient. It should be warm. This looks actually way better. Colors. One bounce is okay. Great light. Fine. Lighting is baked. This. Wait, what? How the hell is this color different? Wait, what? Wait, what? Ooh, ooh. Right. Yeah, but I would say this is not bad. This is not bad at all. This is not bad at all. I am happy with this right now at this current stage. This is more than fine. This is enough. Of course, water also needs bit of work. This looks quite weird. Um, but we will work on this. And now, what I'll do is I'm gonna show you how our prefab is structured. I'm gonna show sides of the game now. So for the last two devlogs, we have not taken a look into how the prefab structure. So we are using something called atoms, and we are using it into our entire game. And not just this game, all the games that we have worked so far, all the IPs that we have are made using atoms. Atoms is a scriptable object based architecture, um, which is uh, which is worked by Unity's team. Like we have, like they have a team dedicated for it. And this is actually very powerful, very powerful. Like uh, you are getting the powers of scriptable object as a data holder, but not just as a data holder, but you can pass events and data structures, you can pass lists and a lot of things, which makes your game very designer friendly, I would say. Like we are still using mono behavior. uh, Without mono behavior the game won't work. Any Unity game won't work. We are using mono behavior, but the amount of logic reduces a lot, the amount of spaghetti code reduces a lot. So that's like very big advantage that we get with atoms. And I am super happy to use atoms. And this is our architecture. Like atoms is not our architecture, but um, we have created an architecture for ourselves using atoms. So this is like a super powerful tool. You guys should check it out. It's called Unity Atoms. It's available on GitHub. So now, and I am gonna first thing I want to change the camera, building camera. So what happens is whenever um, building levels up, the camera zooms out, right? The camera zooms out. Right now the camera zoom out is quite high, and I don't want it to be that high. So what I am gonna do is we have a camera script: dead zone, unfollow, default height, ground transform, minimum follow, height 2, clamping. Let me find the variable which gives me building level. So what I'm gonna do is, with building level, whenever building levels up, there is an event that is triggered, right? So what I can do is I can find that building, that event. So under events, the variable is here. The variable is called building level. It's an int variable. And under events, I can listen to this particular int variable. So you can go to building leveled up, and you can find all the connected mono behavior logic here. So you can see there is a script called building leveled up, and then there is a particle effect as well that is getting triggered. And we are raising a void event as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this particular script, and now you can see the logic behind uh, the zoom out zoom in. So I have a script called building level, and I'm going to open this script, and I'm going to let Visual Studio do its thing. So this is not the logic. This is an older script. This, I don't know, this is a bug in Visual Studio or not, but I have to sometimes click on a script twice. So wait, height increase, tetro spawn position, building spawn position. So where am I changing grid size, max height? Wait, so where am I changing the position? Now there was another void event that was getting triggered, and building leveled up, and there was a void event getting triggered, but this is a global void event. This is not a local void event. So now I am slightly confused. Where is the logic? Okay, there is another place. Building camera, not this one, not this one. We have another building camera here. We have a direct reference to the building camera here as well. Camera split, is this building camera priority, maximum height on, height change. Wait, what is happening on on height change? um Camera angle split. So let me open camera angle split script. Target offset, back camera, front camera, input reversed. That is fine. Let me open this script and like a big script that had made, but this is not the one because this is just taking the camera angle. Where is the camera position script? I am trying to look for it. Where are you? Where are you? Okay, let me do one thing. Let's go into the game, and what I am gonna do is I'm gonna select this particular building, and inside this building I am gonna find. So this is the building logic, okay, and the structure is very simple: variables, events, behavior, and then there is selectable plot. Selectable plot has the camera actually, because every building, no matter if it is special or residential or whatever building, it would need a camera there. Camera 13. Pum 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 pum. Let's go inside and complete the level. Okay, I see some problem here. So lens is fine. Tracking was required for the cinema machine. Why? Tracking rider. All right. Um. Wait. Oh my God. My bad. It's was need this thing happening far. I need to work on the camera for sure because these values are not great. And these values are not useful at all. See, this is supposed to be zero, I think. Supposed to be zero. Now, thing has leveled up, and I now go into the building. Value does not change. Maybe we removed that logic. I'm now confused. I am not sure because previously we had a logic where whenever the building levels up, the camera zooms out. I think that is still there, but I don't remember where it is. So what I'm gonna do is first things first. I found a problem, and the problem is, where is the problem? Someone was making offset. Someone was making an offset. These guys are at -2, which is not needed. They're supposed to be at 0. Who is making problem? Why am I not able to recollect who is the problem maker? Ah, okay. I'm gonna go one by one and I'm gonna just check who is the problem maker. Yeah, this is the problem maker. See, this is at 13, this is at -15, and this is a -35, and this is at 35. So, this is supposed to be, I think, 12.5 for both. No, 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 no. Wait. One is positive, one is negative. So this is supposed to be -12.5, and this is supposed to be 12.5, positive 12.5. Selectable plot, and then in this particular place, we don't need it to have any value. So what I'm going to do is just going to revert it back so that I get the original prefab values. And yeah, wait. Can I control Z once more and just see? Uh, wait. Just open and check. What are the changes? Yeah, that's the only change here, and 185. Yeah, that's the only. So revert it back so that we have the original things. Now, let's quickly play the level and just check out. Click on this. Go to selectable plot. Go to visuals. Go to camera, and camera is still not. No, it's fine. It works. Wait, I am gonna do is I'm gonna click on it, because when you click, the calculation happens, and still takes an offset of minus, it takes an offset of 1.5, and I don't know why is that happening. I need to think, I need to recollect what's happening, why. um because of the rider, I think so, it's because of the collider. uh I think so, because of the collider at minus 5. Sorry, minus 1.5, because let's keep it round numbers, but this is at with if some zero, then problem, because the plot is not there. I think so, the plot is not on the center. Where is the plot then? Where is plot? Where is plot? Where is the plot? Plot is where? Where plot? Plot where? Uh pum 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 pum. See, there are a lot of offsets. So I cannot just keep it like this. This has to have a offset of 5, or else it not come center. Uh, but then this is again a problem. The problem is on the outskirts. But it's in orthographic view. It shows that it's in the exactly center of this plot. So I don't think this would be a good decision. I can One thing is, I can use the size to 2, and then we'll play it how it looks, how it feels at this hand. This is like for the older tutorial. Oh damn, I forgot, I need not play the game, but check the values. Camera is at this is a problem. uh is following this guy is at minus 5. So guy is following that guy. Why is that guy following anyone? Should be following the front camera position. Yeah, that should have been the. Yeah, why is it following the collider? Wait, what? Dun 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 dun. Front camera position. Yeah, following the front camera position. Who is switching? I think confiner puts. Uh, I think so. Confiner puts the collider as a target here if there is no target available, because I don't have any other reference. Like camera has no reference to the collider other than this. Like there is another script which handles the camera, but it does not have the reference to the collider. So this is something that I'll have to check on the documentation, Unity documentation. Let's quick check the confiner point 2 cinema sheet. Wait, I could have done that, or I could have done this. Well, not a lot of people know about this, but yeah, I could have done this. This takes me directly to that 3D. Size of the slowdown zone at the edge of the bounding. When the camera is moving towards an edge in the distance, will slow down gradually until the edge is reached. I think this is a good value to have. I think I have like 5 here. No, I cannot have 5. I can have 2. Contains the camera in. There is no definition. Like there is nothing like decided here. Is someone else setting the value? I don't think anyone else is setting the value. So let's not worry about the camera a lot now. Camera is, I think we had a discussion about camera for a while. Let's just do one thing. Let's just commit this particular changes and push it, push the this, so that we do not lose this set of changes. Ting 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 ting. So I am gonna commit this. The message is gonna the color and camera and building, yeah, fixes, yeah, com- commit it and I'll push it later. Now next what we want to work on is what did I wanted to work on? Yeah, the city layout. Let's quickly do the city layout. I don't like having so many, makes the game look like a forest game and not a city game. Think so? Like, why do you have so many? I had a rock. Actually, use it. Let me just see. Good. Think so. It looks randomly here. Let's just place it randomly here, and yeah, I like I like it. I like it here. I like it here as like a slide depth. All right. Let's get into the main part of the tree. Is deleting this trees, and like so many trees are not needed for sure. Like you can obviously duplicate them here and get them back, like clones of it, duplicate them, but we do not need, right? You need trees, but you do not need so many that it makes the game look very weird. You can have a collection of a few here. Good place because on the border, but there it's close to the building. I cannot have it too close to the building. So, but what I'll do is I'm gonna place another one here, which would get like a collection because there are trees here, right? So it's very natural to have a few bigger trees there. And I like the way shadows are of the trees falling onto the uh, building, which gives the feeling that yeah, the building is in the good position. The sun is not directly affecting it. I like this particular position. I like this particular position, and yeah, there are houses here. If we have this trees which are like, I don't know why these trees are there. Okay, now let's forget about. Okay, let's keep it there and just on. Uh, of course, I don't know what's the. We just have it, so let's just keep it. And we need to put a few trees on the end of the city here. So this is like a one small level, city. Sorry, not level, but city. And our idea is to have many such cities. So you will have like Moscow, and then you will have New York. You will have Tel Aviv, and then you will have Paris, London, Jaipur, and Tokyo, all these cities, Beijing, all these cities around the globe would be part of this particular game. So every city would look different. This is just a demo, not a demo, but a prototype, a quick prototype. So I'm just making one city, and but the actual game there's going to be more cities, uh, and which would give the game a lot of replayability, lot of depth, and which would make the game a lot fun, I think so. Because I remember playing Mini Metro and Mini Motorways, and for me, completing the goals for every building, every city was quite interesting because every city was quite unique in itself. Like you had Tokyo had those fast running trains. I don't know what those are called. Something with S. Um, then you had small trains in Mumbai. Uh, it was fun. Like it gives difference, um, and the game looks different for every city. So that's like a cool thing that to have. And it's not just Mini Metro and Mini Motorways. A lot of games like that, which are part of city building or resource management style games, in order to give different levels for the players to play with. They do make a lot of different cities so that players don't feel bored and they don't have to play the same city again and again. Even City Skyline has a lot of options for you to select what city you want to play with, and because at the end you are not going to be playing just for, you're not buying the game for like one play. You are going to be buying the game, especially people who play resource management games or city building games. They play the games for weeks and weeks and weeks because they plan it out over sessions, gaming sessions, and it's just not part of one single run. So we need to have different style and different types, I would say. Yeah, that's the plan. Right now it looks quite clean, and I this looks not bad at all. Like one few more of these, because I think this and this, like it's like there is small section where people can like go and just sit and put their feet into the water and sit and calm down after a stressful day. And what else do we have? Have tree, this massive tree. Now this massive tree, I don't know where. I not remember what is this. Oh yeah, I remember now. My bad. I should have not shown you guys that. That's the that's this that comes on the top right. Oh wait, this guy. But this guy. So bad. Um, looks nice. So far, this looks nice. I need one more of this so that I can put it here. I actually wanted to put it on the edge. So I want to. Uh, oh, we have rocks as well that I can put. Yeah, nice. Uh, I am not a designer, as you can already see. I am not a artist. I am a developer. But in a team of two people, you have to do everything. So I am just trying my best to make the game look good and make it not bad, not bad at all. Uh, uh, I need down, then up. Wait, what? It did not create a duplicate. Okay, now down and up, and a bit down and a bit up. This, yeah, fine. This looks fine. Oh, what are you doing, my friend? Go home. Home. Um, yeah, this looks fine. Because these are clouds, so we need more clouds for sure. So I'm gonna go into the top view, and what I am gonna do now is just randomly place clouds so that looks like the players are not gonna see it from the height that I'm looking at, but if they rotate the camera, uh, they would see particular thing. Put it here, like not a lot of clouds, like it's not a cloudy day, it's like normal sunny day, because everything is yellow in the game right now. So I don't think technically it, if it is yellow, it is, it's sunny and not cloudy. It's a clear sun, because light is falling a lot. That is why everything is yellow. So we cannot have it like this with clouds and clouds everywhere. But a few clouds, randomly placed clouds here and there, is completely fine. I like it. I like it to have a few clouds placed randomly. Not bad to have it, like not into the center of the game, but somewhere on the top and life, like player can see it's there, but it's not obstructing the player. It's not obstructing the game at all. Uh, and let's just some slight rotation to it. Why is this come up? Uh, Now I'm gonna save and let's just play the game once again. Let's just play the game right now. No, without before playing, I need to change the levels for this, and I'm gonna show you how easy and designer friendly the architecture is using atoms. So without touching the code, without touching anything, what I can do is I can go here, I can select the plot, I can specify what city level it should unlock at. So I can specify like 5, city level 5, and I can specify what building it should unlock. So is it supposed to unlock a red building, or I need any color building? Like I can specify that as well, and or I can specify um, color gray plot. So gray plots are I'm gonna show you what it is. So it does not have a dominant color, but what it will have is this blocks that occupy space, which will you know make it look weird, and block you. So I'm gonna randomly select a few of them, uh, put it as building plot 2. Okay, randomly select a few of them, put it as building plot 3, randomly select a few of them and put it as building plot 1, and randomly select a few of them and just have a different shape, a different shape, a gray shape, and just to make it slightly different. Like not everything should be colorful, not everything should be available to the player all the times. We just need to hide it sometimes. So we are going to have that. Now looking at the position into the city, I am going to decide what level it is going to unlock. So right now I'm going to unlock certain buildings a bit early, so that it's accessible to the player way before. And that's all the changes that I need to do into the game. Like that's all the changes that I need to do to the game in order for me to achieve what I'm trying to do, without you know touching the code, which is I would say this is very important into the game life cycle, because after the development, when you go into the content creation or the production cycle, where you just have to add content to the game, it's very important that the logic or the codes are not modified, because those are locked in. And now the design is given to designers, like the logic is given to designers, and they can just play with it, put any values, any random values, anything, anyhow. Like creativity is now completely in their hands, which is very important, I would say, which is very very important, so that they feel it's easy for them to set something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock buildings, and how they unlock, you can see what color it is unlocking, where it is unlocking, and how it is unlocking. Yeah. Now you have a bit of variations. You can see this is that gray building that I was talking about. This has, oh sorry, I'm in the view. Here you can see the different shapes, different block. So this game gives the game a slight different look, I would say. Uh, this is still version 3.5, just one level, one city. This is not even finalized. This is developer art, but I think it looks very decent as of now. Very very decent. And I'm not gonna lie, I am impressed with what I have made so far. And so is my friend who is working with me on the game. So we have clouds, and we cannot have clouds so down because buildings are gonna come there, my friend. Clouds, you go up. Clouds, you go up, because the building height is gonna be higher. Not every building is gonna have low height. Course it's gonna be higher. Now I can play with building height as well. Like what's the level, that maximum level? You can see maximum building level is 2. Maximum building level here is 2. 2. So there are a lot of things within height, blocks. What is the first base? Base block. A lot of things can be played around here. I'm not gonna touch it right now. I just want to not modify it right now. I'm gonna just uh, be done with it, and I'm gonna push my changes first. I'm gonna commit my changes so that I do not lose them, because well, I have an habit of losing my changes. I Because there is conflict, and no matter what version control you use, let it be Unity's plastic SCM or Git or SVN, whatever you use, Unity cannot merge or is not able to merge two scenes till date. I have been seeing this issue for I don't remember, I think from 2018 2017, since I started using Unity. I have seen this issue, and this is still not solved. I don't know what to do. There are a lot of strategies that people are using, a lot of strategies that I am using to avoid conflicts, but at any given point there are going to be conflicts, and then either you are going to lose your changes, or the person who is pulling is going to lose the change. So yeah, city layout update with building levels changed. Sorry, not building levels, building unlock levels. I'm gonna commit my change and done. So now this looks quite decent. And what do you think about this, guys? What do you think? How does it look? Um, and what do you feel about the game so far? Let's just play the game. Um, let's just play the game in the maximum screen. Uh, so let's just play the game how it is supposed to be played, and it is supposed to be played without the testing UI and with where are you? Ooh, mayor, with the mayor. So let's save, and let's play. Are you new to the game? No. Oh, you played the game before? I will leave you to it then. Bye. Thank you. Alright, now let's play the game. This feels the camera is too close now, right? This feels the camera is close enough. I like this particular position of the camera now. I like it. It was previously very far. Now this is actually quite decent position. Um, and I'm gonna go with paint shop, and I am gonna take a paint shop right now, of course. And now paint shop is here. Previously, at the start of the stream, it was there. There are some slight issues, visual issues that we will fix. There's a lot of actually issues, not just a few. Now I'm gonna put it here to get a combo. I am getting a red. Red is not needed anywhere. So I'm gonna put blue. I'm gonna use blue. It here, and damn it, I need to put yellow, so I'm gonna use yellow now. I'm just playing it too aggressively because I don't need to actually use colors. I can play calmly and still win. But I want to show all the features that the game has, and what all we have made, what all we have achieved. Oh, let's just put it here. Green is here, so let's put green here. Blue is there, and I think I'm gonna. The goal is gonna be completed for this. Yes, building, and this is now at level 3. Uh, and let's just take paint shop. Make sure to always check the number of bricks left. Like right now, bricks left is 11. If bricks left goes to 0, you lose. So let's just take paint shop, and I am gonna take a stash building. I want to use stash building. So now I have more buildings. 46 red here. Stash building is here. I can use keyboard shortcuts as well to quickly zoom in and zoom out of the building. And right now it looks quite zoomed in because I modified the main prefab, which is something that I should have not done. And I am sorry about it, toaster. But yeah, man, sorry about it. We'll fix it together. Or maybe I can fix it in the stream itself. Red, 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 red. Okay, what is the shape here? Yeah, I can put red here. This is next to impossible because this is next to impossible without the combos and absorbers. Like it's very difficult to get that. Like I can get it. It's not that bad, but I need to use absorber. Like what's the use if I don't use absorber? Like if I don't use the ability itself. The goal is done. I'm gonna take absorber, and now I need to complete the goal fast for the city because now I need to get upgrades soon, soon, soon. Let's put it here. It looks. Oh damn! I placed it at the wrong place, and the building is lost because the placement was above the red line. I cannot select this building anymore. Damn! Can you guys hear the sound effects? There are. Wait, you cannot hear the sound effects at all. My bad. Ah, why is display capture not showing? Like not giving the sound. I don't know. I'm gonna debug that later. But yeah, let's just put it here, and voila, level is up. City building is upgraded. Now I need, of course, bricks. Now red, 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 no red. So I'm gonna use yellow, blue, because the shape is exactly fitting. I'm gonna use blue. I don't want to put green there without an absorber because I can put a green there and I can still. Okay, that shape is good. Okay, I got a red now. Where do I put red? Red, where do I put you? Okay, I cannot put you anywhere. I need blues everywhere, so I'm gonna use blue. Yellow is here. Yellow. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. I need 3, so let's just be done with it, man. Let's just put it there and just be done with the particular building. Because now I'm gonna get another type of upgrade, which is called max building upgrade, building max level upgrade, where I can go with something slightly more, you know, important. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play very smart. I can get a 500 bonus right away and be done with the city upgrade, which would give me an option to add more bricks. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna select the ones which has the most bricks. Oh, 10 bricks, 10 bricks. But I am gonna get a stash building here. I don't need a stash building. I need 10 bricks, and yeah, the game needs a lot of balancing right now. The game needs a lot of balancing. I would not deny that. The game is too early, I would say, and but I like it. So let's use blue. Put it. Ah, my bad. Building is lost. I tried to click and I lost the building. But that's overall the game. Why are you here? There is there is a A cloud somewhere in the middle of the game. Where are you? No, not this one. I think it was this guy. It's too down. Yeah, so that's the game so far, and you can play the game. The game link is in the description below, and you can let me know in the comments or in the live chat what do you think about this game. This is Devlog 3, and we have been making this game for around a year. We have been working on and off on this game. We work on this game part time, so this is not a full time project. We work it on part time, and uh, this is version 3.5 that you are currently seeing. The version 3 is uploaded to itch.io, and you can play the game there. And let us know your feedback. And if everything looks good, we will be releasing this game early next year. So, yeah. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for tuning into this particular devlog number 3. And we will have more devlogs coming soon. We will have devlog 4, 5, 6, and so on uh, soon enough. So tune in, subscribe to the channel to get notified, and hope to see you all in the next live stream as well. Thanks a lot for watching. See you. Bye bye.